back in the Bronx today in Kingsbridge. You know I love to go to Kingsbridge. We're in the 4th floor of a very well-managed, maintained walk-up building. This is a 2-bedroom apartment. Let's take a look at the master bedroom. This could easily fit a queen with nightstands and a dresser. And as you see, you've got a walk-in closet here. Let's go ahead and open that up. That's floor to ceiling on the walk-in closet. 2 big oversized windows. You get a lot of sunlight in this room. Beautiful hardwood floors. Now we entered into a hallway vestibule that is really functional space here. Let's take a look at this. You could put a desk, you could put a small dining table here. You're walking in this door right here. We turned to the left and went into the master bedroom. Let's take a quick look at the bathroom here. Nicely tiled, nice vanity, full-size bathtub. And it's in between the 2 bedrooms, but this vestibule could be really functional. Like I say, you could put a small table and chairs here, you could put a desk, even an oversized chair actually. This is going to go to the 2nd bedroom. This is a little smaller. This is going to easily fit a full-size mattress. In fact, you can still see it here. But let's step in. Nice oversized windows. And it's a smaller bedroom, but it also has a walk-in closet. Now these tenants just moved out, as you can see. It's the day before Thanksgiving, so the super and his helpers are getting ready to turn this apartment around. And believe it or not, we will have this ready for a December 1 move-in, which is next Wednesday. However, we're happy to go December 15th, even January 1st we could talk about. Let's walk into this beautiful, or it will be beautiful when we get it cleaned up. Again, the tenants left a lot for us to deal with, but we're working with it. Stainless steel appliances, beautiful cherry wood cabinets. Let's take a look here. Nice granite preparation space. Now all of these leftovers are going to be taken out of here. This is going to be beautifully cleaned and painted. This is a 2-bedroom in the Bronx, 4th floor walk-up, very well managed, maintained building. Walking back, retracing our steps from this open kitchen living room. We're addressing that vestibule area that I told you could be really functional. Another walk-in closet space that's really huge. And we'll take a look here. Again, quick look at the 2nd bedroom, a little smaller, but can fit a full-size bed. This neighborhood is really incredible. Nice bathroom in between the 2 bedrooms. And let's go into this master bedroom one more time. We'll finish up here. This is a beautiful space. I said easily fit a queen. This could easily fit a king, actually. So much sunlight, a lot of space. This could be a beautiful home. Come on down, let's take a look. You know we like to talk to you about renting our apartments. So reach out to us by email or messenger and come on down. Let's take a look. We can talk a little bit. Thanks for watching.